Welcome back to Presco. I'm the Business Pres, and we're jumping in to the daily trend. Let's have a look. This one is for the leverage traders. So this is my Bybit account. Okay, and as you can see, we're quite green up here after having such a red day. Some things are nearly 20% in the green after having a 20% day. So this is Bybit. You can come down, if you got USD Tether, that is the coin you're leveraging. Otherwise, you can come to the inverse perpetual. You can leverage a Bitcoin to get more Bitcoin. You can leverage Ethereum to get more Ethereum. You can leverage XRP to get more XRP. And let me just show you what I just did with XRP. Okay, seen this breakout coming. I stopped out a couple times last night, but minimal losses, right? I just caught this pump. Okay, we're in this range for so long. I know it's a 5-minute chart. But look, we're in this range for so long. I saw a lot of other things breaking out, so I put my order in down here. And as we crept up and up and up, I bought more and more and more. Now, I had a $40 position in here with 5x leverage. I've taken some profits out. It's down to less than $10, and I'm still in profits. I'm still in 30% profit. So if we keep going, I'm still in. I'm still making money, still more profits. However, if we pull back, to any of these areas, I probably should take my stop loss out of it. We pull back to any of these areas and bottom out and continue up, I'm going to buy more. It's called scaling in and scaling out of position. And Jupiter Crypto taught me that, shout out. And yeah, we can see we're dumping, we're pulling back. So you know what? I'm just going to close half of my position, capture even more of those profits. Okay, if it comes down and we start to bottom out, these moving averages pick them up, we come down to the 50, we're good. We're good. And this works on any time frame, and this is the same thing that I use in the daily trend, right? Let's full screen it for a sec. Okay, so we see this sideways channel and we broke down. We bottomed out. This is the 4-hour chart. We see we got our divergence and we come back, and then we jump straight up. Was I buying on the 4-hour? No, I was looking at the setup on the 4-hour and I was buying on the 1-hour. You see, we made the divergence, we come back to the 50, and this is where I got flushed out last night. It was a shame. I had my stop loss about where my stop loss is now. And I got stopped out for next to nothing. Okay, because it was a tight stop. But then I got in this morning. And lucky I did, because I was watching this. And this did not pull the trigger for me. I was looking around at the rest of the market. Okay, let's look at USD pairs. All right, we see a green day. XRP is the biggest one. DOT, I got in DOT. DOT was great. All right, X to the Z. Now, last night I was looking at Solana's setup, and it had a bearish divergence. And if I had shorted it, I would have been profitable. But I'm not looking to short in a bull market, if you know what I mean, except for like maybe back here we started to fall off the cliff. But look at Tezos just picked back up, smashed a bullish engulfing candle. I should have been all over this, but I was just looking at other things, so, you know. But this is the leading indicator to me. If we made a bullish head and shoulders, we broke out well past the neckline, and we even broke out past previous highs, well, this is a great setup. And if you can't jump into this one, don't go chasing it now. Let's look at the next best thing. And that's literally what I did. I went through all of these. I'm like, right, what hasn't moved yet? Literally, Solana is the only thing in the red because of that bearish divergence. And I think it's bottomed out. I was even looking at getting it again. Yeah, nah, see, it's not until I get the confirmation from the RSI. We've seen a little bit of divergence there. And we are on previous resistance. Solana's just been smashing it. But I feel like the wind may have been taken out of it. Okay? If we pick back up here and continue, then great. But you know what I see? I see a bearish divergence. So I'm not just going to go chasing things that are at the top. And look at that. That's nearly confirmed it. And this is on the 4-hour. This is the higher the time frame, the better the reads. So look, going into Bitcoin, this is my Bitcoin. Yeah, it's not a lot of Bitcoin because I started off as a shitty trader, making all the mistakes. All right, we see Bitcoin's just starting its breakout. So we go look at the Bitcoin pairs, right? Dogecoin is paired with Bitcoin. So I put in a Dogecoin trade. You see it's just starting out now. And I chase this all the way up to about there. And I'm willing to lose $7. You know what? $7 is $7. And I got my stop loss there, so I won't even lose that much. But I could potentially catch a 20% trend like I did in DOT. You know, DOT, I had this position up to about $5, and I've just closed profits there because we're into resistance now. And did I close my whole position? No. In fact, I think I was even looking at this bull flag and added a position down here and just moved my stop loss up. Look how much room we got to play with. I could technically take my $2 out and buy back the retrace, but that's if we get it. And looking at that Tezos pair, oh my God, 50%. 50% without leverage. So you play around with the leverage up here, you know, up to 25x. But look, leverage is dangerous, and I do not promote leverage. I just want to show the hodlers the other side of the fence. Why things move as quickly as they do. You know, why did we have that 20% flush out 2 days ago and now everything's pumping 20%? Here's the crypto markets. Things move fast. All right. So I just want to bring this awareness to everyone. Look, another position I'm in. All right. Got the bottom. We're near the top. I could take my profits. It's not a lot of profits. So, you know, all I'm going to do is I'm going to move my stop loss into a break even. It's a free trade. Okay, if we pull back, yeah, I might get a bit worried that that stop loss will get triggered. But you know what? I'm actually playing a lot of these. I'm playing a lot of these, and I'm in green for most of them. Okay. Now, like I said, if you're at work, you can't do this. If you got kids running around, they better be entertained. It's hard. It's hard to do this all day, every day. But these are what the day traders are doing. This is literally what they're doing. They're looking for their setups, right? We're in the bottom of a range. Okay, we come down, we wick up. All right, I might buy that. Bang. Look what happens. Okay. So just a quick video today. Yeah, the markets are picking back up. Yeah, I'm in some trades. I'm not worried about if we're still crashing out or not. Hey, darling. Because look, we just bring up the full screen chart. Yeah, Bitcoin's looking pretty good. You know. Sorry, just a second. So we got, yeah, Doge, Bitcoin Cash, probably this very similar setup. So, you know, if you see Bitcoin pump, oh, Bcash is already gone. Oh, 5-minute chart. Get off the 5-minute charts, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, look, you see I just bought it just after the Doge buy. Look, I don't even have a stop loss because I'm willing to get liquidated off 90 cents. It's a 90-cent position. But with the leverage of 15, it's actually a $13 position, and I'm exposed to all of the upside. So that's literally just what I want to point out. All right. These are the opportunities that is out there. You really got to know what kind of trader you are, what kind of strategy you have, whether you're using leverage to get wrecked or you're just holding spot for the long-term macro cycle. And that's what I promote on the daily trend. I promote holding the assets, putting your crappy fiat into these digital assets because they're exponentially going to grow forever. And over the short term, we can profit. Over the long term, we can profit. And just every day, we just dollar cost average into them. You know, when we get these massive spikes, then go buying into them. Maybe look at taking half off the table so you can buy it at the bottom. But that's very different to this. This is leverage. This is fast pace. Insane gains. Also, insane gains means insane losses. I've lost a lot of money leverage trading. I've lost most of my Bitcoin position leverage trading. Now, I'm up on Ethereum. It's not a lot, and I'm up on XRP. I think I started with about 150 XRP in this account. I've got 160 out of the market, and that position is about 510 XRP. So you can make more by trading, but it's risky. You got to know how to manage risk. Essentially, you got to know how to manage risk. Hey, stop hammering stuff. This is the walls. Play with a hammer. Yeah, good. But look, we can zoom out all the way to the daily time frame and look at these wicks on this important line and understand that this is a good place to get involved, leverage or not. And I'm looking at this and I'm looking around, and some things respect structure. And if they do, they're going to pump, and they're going to pump hard. Look at XRP. This is the daily trend still. This is the daily trend. We just had a bullish engulfing candle. All right, where? On support. Market looks like it wants to pick up. You know, and this is more important for the traders. Now you come to CoinGecko, you got your stable coins, okay? Volume's down a bit, usually it's a bit over, okay? And the coins are over $1, which means people are selling their assets and going into stable. When these are at 99 cents, it's pretty much a green light to buy. So that telling me this pump probably won't be sustained. I'm going to have to take some serious profits and look to re-enter a position. But I'm just going to keep an eye on things, and that's that. So thanks for watching. Quick, short one. Happy days, happy profits. All right, manage risk. There's a bit on the website how to do all this and that, but really the daily trend and the website is for the hodlers. I just want to show you the dark side. You know, you can long, which means buy and bet the price is going up, or you can short, which means you can bet that the price is going down. And like I said, you can own these assets and get paid and leverage in these assets, or a stablecoin USD tether. All right, so just showing everyone what's out there, what the possibilities are, what everyone else is doing in these markets, and kind of what I'm dabbling in as well. Most of my money is in the HODL accounts. It is in XRP, and it's on my Ledger Nano wallet. However, I've taken a portion of that and I'm trading it on margin in KuCoin and on leverage in Bybit. All right, thank you very much. Just wanted to show everyone what was out there and the possibilities of this magical market. So you can make money in literally so many ways, it's not funny. All right, thanks for watching. I'm BiznessPres. See ya tomorrow.